Here's a 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. From the striking looks to the proven powertrain technologies that are up to any task, this Silverado stands out from the rest. It comes with great features you love: automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, driver selectable mode, trailer hitch receiver, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated leather split bench seats, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, auto dimming rearview mirror, and Ecotec 3 engine. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. Take it for a test drive today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.